Hey friends, if you wish to turn off transparency effects on your Windows 11 computer, then I will guide you to two methods for the same. But to let you know what transparency effects are, if you check any window here, the gap portion is usually translucent. It's not transparent exactly, it's translucent. So you can see what's behind the page. Now, to disable it or to remove it and make it absolutely opaque, for example, as you can see here in the taskbar, I minimize this, you'll see that this blue design is showing a little behind the taskbar. So to remove this and make it opaque, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab and select colors in the right pane. We have the switch for transparency effect here. I'll switch it off and see everything becomes opaque. I switch it on and it becomes translucent. And the same can be done through the accessibility tab. So go to accessibility, go to visual effects in the right pane, and you'll find the switch for transparency effects here because it's a part of accessibility as well. So if I turn it off, it becomes opaque. If I turn it on, it becomes bluish and translucent. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.